Okay, what's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bunny Blade, aka Budget Dad, but you already know this. That's right, we doing some fishing. And I got my partner right there, Ro. What's up, man? Say holla at the people on YouTube. Yeah. He say you're about to try to catch the fishes, but I'm. Yeah, so we got the rods all set up. We set up everything before we even go out there. We got our little supplies, little goodie bag. So, and the spot we're in is actually you did you hit that lock button? Yeah. Okay, we're over by Esau first. With these slippers, some sneakers. You got sneakers in the car?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, do that. Okay, so this is the view. I don't know if you can see the water. Yep, here we go. I guess the sun is in the way. If I could get a little better view. So all along right here is good fishing. But what we're in right there, that's a nice little spot. Nice little spot you could capture with the family. And actually we're gonna be going down this trail to try to reach to that bridge, which is right there. Well, let's see how this journey works out. So we came from down here. We got a little stone trail going down, and we're gonna be heading towards the water. We gotta go through the high grass, look out for the river snakes, because we're actually at the river. Whoa. Watch your step there, young man. Watch your step. Okay. Pretty secluded area. Let's see if we could pull up a buoy over there. It's floating in the water. Usually we got that little bridge right there. Usually we'll get up on that bridge and just fish right off that bridge. Actually, once you're at that bridge, you can just drop your line pretty much like right in the water. But yeah, and let me see. You got the sun setting. Got a nice little view of the town. Well, let me go out here where you can get a better view of the town. Okay, here we go. Whoa, got the water. As you can see, the water is pretty clear today. It's not that dirty. And that's the town right there. Let me see if I could get a zoom, a close up. Okay, YouTubers, so this is the scene right there. That's the river. Got my rod right here. Next time, what I really need to do is bring me a good anchor. You see that stick with a crook where I could rest my line there and just cast another one. But I got my partner over here trying to get himself situated over here. So how's it going over there, partner? He kind of quiet, Yeah. But as I said, this is the spot right here, and we'll see what's gonna happen, if we're gonna catch anything. And you know we're gonna do some flying, because we definitely gonna do some flying. Okay, but we'll see what's going on. And I just turned around so you guys could see the scene pretty much. I see that bridge is a nice place to fish on. When they enter it, there's no sign or no restriction, so I believe it's safe. And let's see if we could pull up that buoy way out there. Not bad for the zoom. Second one, the first one was a catfish. Oh, this was, and they live, popping out here. Yep, this is the spot, and it's the right time too.